Welcome to Horttube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things from their yard or community that they're proud of. The email address to send photos is right here. Please include Subscriber Sunday in the title and send the biggest file you can, because a lot of people watch YouTube on television now, and we want your pictures to look great on their television. I had about 6 people, I think, send in photos. They're at the very end of the video. Before that, I have some photos from J.C. Ralston Arboretum that I took last week. And I wanted to talk about the fact that it's very dry right now in the southeast, and especially right here in central North Carolina. Somehow we are avoiding all rain around us. We went 10 days here without rain. We have a 50% chance this afternoon. It doesn't look promising, honestly. And then 10 days after this, we're forecast with no rain. So if you're doing any planting right now, make sure that you're keeping a close eye on things. If your stuff's wilting every afternoon, you may want to do a little bit of pruning on it. I did a video about that a couple weeks ago, or maybe a week and a half ago, if you want to take a look at that, about doing a little bit of pruning on the top of your plants so they don't require as much water after you've planted them. So a few other things here. Number one, I will get up a May walkthrough video at my house this week, and I have done the chemical applications here at the garden center for the post-emergent herbicides, using some organic and non-organic herbicides to control weeds. One of them didn't work at all, and so I reordered it just to make sure it wasn't an old batch or user error or whatever, because I didn't want to be unfair to anyone. So that's the delay in that one. The pre-emergent herbicides have been applied to the lawn up here, and it'll be summer before we really know how effective they were, and I'll shoot that video at that time. And I'm applying some pre-emergents now to these beds where I killed the weeds over here to see what comes back up from that. Some, like I say, chemical and non-chemical approaches to weed control. So I didn't get quite as many videos up in April as I had planned. It was kind of a really wild ride. April was completely and totally wild. I've started May out quite a bit stronger, and I have lots and lots of content. My driveway's covered in plants that need to go in the ground for content, and I've got to get started on the propagation greenhouse, but it'll be June before we actually start taking cuttings. The spring started so late, it stayed cold for so long, that the new growth is still very flimsy on everything. We need to let the new growth harden off a little bit. So those of you who hold on for my propagation videos, they are coming. And sometime in the next week and a half, we'll actually build the greenhouse, and then probably be about 2 weeks after that, we'll start taking cuttings. So thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I'm building just an absolutely great audience. I appreciate all of your kind comments, and thanks for watching.